Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the lens and camera. Set any lens aperture ring to so the body can control f. This is required on older Nikon lenses. Mount the lens, power the camera, and confirm battery level so you won't be interrupted. Then choose A aperture priority for quick f changes or M manual if you want total control. Once done, you'll use the command dial to change the f number. This is the only reliable method on modern Nikon bodies, so get the dial in hand. You now change the f number with the command dial. Turn the main dial while looking at the viewfinder or rear LCD to see f/values update. In aperture priority, the camera will pick shutter speed automatically, which keeps exposure correct as you change f. In manual, you control shutter speed too, so balance both for proper exposure. Once you've dialed the desired f/stop, half-press the shutter to confirm metering. Use live view for critical framing and depth of field checks, because that gives immediate visual confirmation. Finish by taking a test shot and reviewing the image and histogram. Make sure the depth of field and exposure match your intent. If the camera won't change f, first verify the lens aperture ring is firmly set to A. Many older Nikon lenses require this, and check for a locked aperture lever or incompatible lens. Once done, try a firmware update or another lens to isolate the problem. If issues persist, reset custom settings or consult Nikon support. They'll help diagnose mechanical or body-related faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.